Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
A persistent dry cough in adults may indicate allergies, asthma, or a lingering viral infection. It can also be a sign of acid reflux or side effects of certain medications like ACE inhibitors. If it continues for weeks, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider to rule out serious conditions like chronic bronchitis or lung disease.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.